Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to do this very simple cake. This cake is half kg and it's already baked, and my mother already has in her channel, so she didn't show it. Now let's cut the cake into two equal pieces. The first thin layer which my mother cut it was not actually looking nice, so that's why we ate it afterwards. First we are gonna put a wet tissue paper, then we are gonna start the process. So first we are gonna take a cake sponge, then we are gonna put sugar syrup. Don't put too much actually. Then we are gonna take some cream and then we are gonna put on top. Then we are gonna take some choco chips and then we are gonna put on top for more taste. If you don't have choco chips, you cannot put if you don't want it. After that we are gonna start crumb coating it. After crumb coating it, put it in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 hours. After 2 or 3 hours, we are gonna start icing and decorating the cake. So we are gonna decorate it as simple. If you have more ideas, you can do however you want. We also did blue. If you have other colors to do, you can do other color if you want. Did you know how we made the blue color? First we took some whipped cream frosting, then we kept few drops of blue color, then it became the blue color we needed. And also don't forget to mix the colors. Whenever you're mixing it, mix it smoothly or the cream will become liquid, like it will become like liquid. Now we're gonna decorate with some flowers, and we're also gonna put leaves later. Now it looks very beautiful as you can see. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.